My name is Alessandro Villa. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the Planet Company, an Italy-based for-profit company working on nature-based solution and bio-inspired innovation. On one side, trees are still the best biotechnology we have to capture CO2. On the other side, to really scale up reforestation at the needed scale to achieve carbon neutrality would require an amount of fertile soil and fresh water we don't have available. So we have a lot of water, but it's salt water. So 97% of the water worldwide is salt water. More, we don't have fertile soil, so we erode every year X billion of tons of soil, and this is the huge problem. So we have to make water and soil available to scale up reforestation. And the Mangrove Technology answered to this need to make water and soil available. Mangrove ecosystem and mangrove trees are very smart organisms. As I said, able to capture huge quantities of CO2, able to desalinate water, so to produce fresh water from salt water. And they are, from a biological perspective, a pioneer species, allowing other organisms to colonize arid and saline soil. And following our studies in biomimicry or bionic, we decided to reverse engineer the capacity of mangrove trees to desalinate water in order to kickstart ecosystem restoration. So the Mangrove Technology platform is a platform integrating 3+1 core technology. So desalination units, so we produce fresh water from salt water. Water saving planting technology, so we use the fresh water we produce to feed the water saving organic incubators. IoT, Internet of Things modules to basically a system of sensor to track what's going on. So the process of producing water and planting trees and restoring biodiversity. And the fourth technology is a sub-technology embedded in the desalination unit, which is the salt factory, because the desalination has this very nice byproduct, which is salt. And we are able to produce a food-grade salt. We can, use for local purposes. Those are the four main technology included in the platform. We built in summer 2020 the first real-scale mangrove facility on Tinos Island in Greece. A lot of lessons learned. The first is that the complexity doesn't follow a linear curve. The second lesson is more about the business side. So this is, in our opinion, a really valuable initiative, which is from a business perspective a quite capital intensive initiative. Why? Because we have to deploy the facility, so we have to spend money to deploy the facility, to run the operation in order to plant trees and to recover and start having revenue. This is, I guess, a little bit the common point for the nature-based solution. So we need to mobilize patient capital, so capital which require not immediate returning of the investment. The science is helping us. Data figures are really clear. And I have so far the confirmation that the agenda of different actors are in alignment. And this gives me hope.